Okay, guys, we got our X5 2017. We're gonna replace the cabin filter, which is right down here. Okay, a little bit different than regular cars. We're gonna have to squeeze this guy right here, which I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach. There you go, squeeze that. And make sure when you put this all back together, make sure everything goes back the way it is, okay? Very important for it to go back just the way it is. So in here is your cabin filter. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this tab and we're gonna gently just lift this out of here. Our filter housing, everything's gonna simply just a cover that's gonna come out all together. This strut is gonna bother us a bit, but we might be able to. Can we twist it out of here? Is something holding? Nothing is holding. There's two filters. How many filters are in there? Two or one? Okay, we gotta. Alright, we're gonna have to get another filter because there's two filters, but we only got one. Okay, so we only got one filter, so that's the parts guy's fault. Okay, how are we gonna get this out? How does this come out? It's gonna lift up from the back here. Okay. It's just stuck here. You see that in the bottom? So no forcing, don't force nothing. We're not gonna force nothing here. It should simply just come out. Let me give it a temp. So we might have to go back, twist this way. Okay, so we went back and twisted it out. And there's our two cabin filters. So this is wrong anyway. So let me order a new one. Okay, so we got the filters here. Comes two in a box. The part number here. Okay, there's the number there. PTC 3760. There's two of them in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unpack these. You have to press on this tab and this tab to get these filters out. And that's how they come out. So we're gonna grab one and install it. It has tabs on all four sides. They call these primary filters. I don't know why, for what reason, but they click right in. There you go. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. These are official when we be taking out, but the ones we're putting in, they're crappy, kind of crappy. So, you know, aftermarket stuff. So this baby's going here. And then you got a tab here and a tab here. So what we're going to do is, same thing. We're going to get this guy to go exactly supposed to go. If I can get it, there you go, perfect. But two little notches gotta go in there, right there, back there. Make sure those notches are there, and then this should clip in. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure you get this baby right here in properly. So remember, your water falls right in here, so this has got to be up above, under it, and this has got to be above it. That's how that goes. So this is all click mechanism here, all click. Probably was missing a clip here, but other than that, we're all set. So this has got to go a little bit more further. There you go. And everything engages. That side has to engage in there, right in here. Let me see if I can get that. I'm gonna have to step over a bit. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Make sure your weather strip is on properly. And we're all set, guys. That's how you're gonna change these filters. And we're all set. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure this is all nicely lined so the water can come and go flow through. Thank you for watching.